Going everyone, just an unboxing today of this HSP 110 on-road Nitro drift car. Their boxes are very generic. They use them for all different types of cars depending on what you get. They do label them on the back what they are. Sometimes they have a sticker of the model of what they are. Yeah, that's they're all your different cars that you can get from HSP. Just put that over there. So there's a fair bit of cars that you can get from them. They're not too bad. I don't mind them. They're a nice entry level car for what they are. The price of them, Nitro was $280, so it's not too bad. Let's have a look what you get in the box. You get your decal sheet, all your stickers to add onto your car if you want to add them on. Some of them, don't need to add them on there. Cut the radio out. So your radio generic radio. They used to have a different style radio. These ones they look a lot better to the old style they had. Feel a lot better. Very nice foam. Wheel. Trigger's good. Now you can drive, hold it one hand. Got all your throttle trim, your steering trim, and your rates trim. Got your servo, neutral, reverse. Everything's preset when you get them from the shop, but you should always check before starting the car up. 4 AA's, that's what you need for the radio. That's that one, we'll put that there. Right, now let's have a look. Get your instruction manuals. Try not to cut my finger. This is your parts breakdown of all your parts. That if you break something, you got all the part numbers you can take to your local hobby shop or online, wherever you get your stuff from. Always try and support the local hobby shops. Got your aftermarket aluminium parts, so you can see all the different aluminiums. That's all your purple stuff. So if you're into purple, you can have a purple car, or you got blue. Most of their cars are blue or purple on their chassis and some plates and your shock towers and stuff. It's just a breakdown of the functions of the radio and your receiver. Tells you how to set it up and all that. And your instruction manual, it tells you, if you got an electric car, it tells you all the stuff about electric, your radio, your ESC, your battery, receiver, all that, how to set it up. Tells you how to charge, not to leave LiPos unwatched, because they do have a tendency to blow up. Gives you all your carby setting for the Nitro cars. Gives you fuel mixture between 10 and 16%. I normally run 16%. Used to run 25%, I think, in my racing buggy years ago. Tells you all check before starting. Tells you engine maintenance. Starting tells you how to start your engine, Nitro engine. Pre-run checks it's good to check everything, check your batteries, check your screws, check everything that's can rattle loose. Gives you a problem solving. You know, if it's not steering, to check, you know, check your servos, check your receiver, check your battery. Gives you a breakdown of troubleshooting. Has some stuff for their 1/5 stuff. I haven't seen much 1/5. Yeah, pretty straightforward. It's the same manual for all their cars, Nitro, electric, all them. Let's get the car out. There's the car. We'll take the plastic off. Looks like again they've put some stickers on for you already. Depends which shop you get it from. They don't always put stickers on for you. You have to do it all yourself normally. Alright, that's the car. It's looks like it's modelled after a Skyline 33, I think, or 34. Not bad looking body. They're very not good bodies for their quality, but they do the job. Especially if you're learning, you're gonna run into a lot of stuff. And, you know, if you're hitting gutters or curbs, you crack a lot of bodies. They got a hard drift tyres. I'm not a big fan of drifting, so I'll probably change those out, put some foamies on it. Now let's have a look under the shell. Right. Very basic and straightforward, which is good. There you got your, I believe they're 18cc motor, you know, standard just plastic pipe. You can get tune pipes. I might upgrade later to tune pipe one. Putting a different motor in, going to put a Force 18 in it. I'll change these tyres because they're hard plastic. Got a nice big bumper up the front. You got 6 kilo servos. Some of these servos can be really slow, so if you want a quicker one, you change it up. But if you just, you know, mucking around with these on the road, like in the car park or whatever, these servos will be fine until you kill one. In the ears you got your receiver and your battery pack for your receiver. Linear compression has all these warnings to make sure you put your fuel and all that stuff in, check your batteries, you know, following all the procedures. Nice aluminium body. They're 2-speed, so that's good. That I'm pretty sure all their cars, all their Nitro cars are 2-speed. They're oil-filled shocks, which feel a little bit soft. They're not adjustable. I think that they give you little shims to put in there to adjust the shock, but you can always just put thick oil in. Yeah, very basic and straightforward Nitro car. Doesn't have sway bars, I've just noticed, but I'm sure you can upgrade them. And you can upgrade all these parts for aluminium. But I wouldn't go fully aluminium because you want something to give if you hit something. Aluminium just you do a lot of damage if you weren't full alloy. But yeah, nice looking car. With Nitro cars, you got to cut air holes in the body for airflow. So I'll be doing that to my couple that I've got. So you just cut the side of the motors on, cut a hole there and a hole. I just use a circle saw and a drill, hole and a hole, the airflow to keep the motor cool. But yeah, that's it. So, not bad looking body. Easy. That's the two there. I'll be getting these going soon. Too easy. Well, I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. It helps the channel out. The more people I get interested in this sort of videos and the RC stuff, the more I can do. And anyone has any suggestions of a video or what I can do, just leave a comment. And yeah, awesome. Thank you for watching. See ya.